If you're looking for remote customer support software, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to explain what Zendesk is. I'm going to go through a couple of their features as well as use cases and see if it's actually worth your while. So let's jump straight in. So let's get into the meat of it. What is Zendesk? So Zendesk's core features is a robust ticketing system which allows agents to track, manage, and resolve customer issues efficiently. Each customer interaction, regardless of the channel, is converted into a ticket, ensuring no request is overlooked. Zendesk enables businesses to provide support across multiple channels, including email, chat, phone, social media, and so much more. This omni-channel approach ensures that customers can reach you through their preferred methods, improving convenience as well as overall satisfaction. Zendesk also allows you to create a self-service knowledge base with FAQs, articles, and tutorials, empowering your customers to find answers to common questions independently and reducing the volume of support requests. It also integrates with a ton of other tools. So it integrates seamlessly with a wide range of third-party applications, business tools such as CRM systems, e-commerce platforms, and marketing automation software. This ensures a smooth flow of data between different systems, improving overall efficiency. You can also make use of their API integration, which allows you to basically use Zendesk whichever way you want within your own website or a platform of your choice. What is Zendesk's common use cases? So first of all, Zendesk is primarily used to provide customer support, helping businesses resolve customer issues. Also, a help desk. So it's also used primarily as a help desk solution, enabling an organization to manage their internal IT support requests and resolve employee issues. So there you go, Zendesk in under 3 minutes. Now you know where to go if you need to create remote assistance. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you next time.